And while we can't change the structure of our frontal lobe, we can change the way the pathways in our brain work. We can make them stronger. So for example, if someone throws a ball at me and I react to go catch the ball, the pathway of my eyes communicating to my cortex and other parts of my brain like the cerebellum coordinating the movement, we can make that stronger or more efficient. Think of something like anxiety. Something bad happens. Your anterior cingulate turns on and you can't stop thinking about that bad thought. But what if we can do exercises to make our frontal lobe stronger, our prefrontal cortex stronger? That has to do with judgment and reasoning to help dumb down those thoughts. So how does it work? Okay, signal comes in to an AMPA receptor that sits off the cell. That AMPA receptor stimulates the NMDA receptor. That NMDA receptor releases polyamine, glutamate, and glycine. Those three things unlock the magnesium plug. And the magnesium is what creates balance for the cell. When that escapes, the cell can have more energy. Calcium comes in. Calcium stimulates the energy of the cell, the nucleus, and that makes two proteins, C-phos and C-Jun, which help power up the mitochondria, energizing the cell. Now it's ready to communicate to the next cell in the pathway. So again, think for example, something like sports, okay? Something like a basketball shot. Someone practices that specific form over and over and over again. Basically what they're doing, right, is creating that line of cells, communication from the cortex to the sublayer of the brain, to the brainstem, to the cerebellum, for us to end up doing those movements. You do that with repetition over and over again, you reinforce these pathways, making them stronger.